Hello everybody, hi to all, good evening, and today I have a very nice lock. I pick this lock 3 openings in my life. This is multi-lock 2-in-1. I use this profile first time in my life. This is special lock, not for citizens, not for not for citizens using. This is a lock for just a moment. This lock, this lock special. This lock was in locks in General Electric company of my country, and this company use these locks. This is special locks. And these locks not use standard citizens. So this is profile 05. 05. I sure many people's pickers who know multi-lock not listen about profile 05, because I listen about this profile first time in my life. 05. Yesterday I was in locksmith center of my friend, and he gave me this lock, so I need just to back him. Maybe I have surprise, maybe not, I don't know. Maybe he need him, everything can to be. So we have here very interesting new modification of this lock. Have one profile 1 not have something different. One profile, just this is color of steel another. So this multi-lock 2-in-1 need to understand what kind of profile here. Little place, but not I can't say this something. This is something very hard because of profile. No, not hard. I not open him in hand in this in device. If not go now, we put in this device, but I can't put him, so I open him. I sure, but we try to pick in the hand for asking, and nice, and first, second, four, once again, nice, 5, my cat make something. I believe it don't make me stop in video now. Because I listen, maybe. Everything will good. It's open. We're not long from opening, because very high third, and 4 pins and 5 no. And interactive second, this interactive, yes. And first I feel little pins are not finished here, and in the third, just a moment, I not finished little pins. Nice, nice, and nice. No, I open him. What? Oh, interactive not. Just a moment, one pin I not put something. I don't know what. Now I found this. Okay, we pick him, but I can't to get him. This problem, and I very want to get him. For what for me, very interesting. I need to out this moment and this moment. I make everything for out this, not problem. Very quickly we out everything what we need, but it's not help. It's not help. I try. I talking about this moment with my teacher, and he say write what I need to make, but I make and I can't to. No, I not have result. This and this part here. Here we have enter to rotor. This is a rotor. We see my tool, black tool. So this is a rotor, and now it's on this way. So we see everything. I think this for if K broken, maybe, I don't know for what this moment. This is point, this close, this part need to move. When this part, I think so, and we not have something what keep now him. Just one what I think maybe we need to give tension. Okay, maybe yes, maybe not. I don't know. I try, and I try to out this element, and I push full here, full opening, nothing. I can't to make it, and I can't to out this part. Can't. Full opening, not full opening, no. Like now, nothing. Something, no. Keep him. And now I don't want to give power on lock. No, this is not my style of work. I don't understand for what. I can to give no power, but this is no for what. I close him. No, I know I close him, but I don't understand why I so want to see elements I want to see, and this is story without getting. If I got him or somebody maybe know what I need to do for got him, write in comments. I be happy if some words help me to get him. I very very big thanks I say if yes. I say about this moment with my teacher, so it's will difficult, to take information, but everything can to be. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Have a nice time. Have a nice So how say in English? Don't worry, be happy. This is nice word. Don't worry, be happy. If somebody happy, this is very nice, very good. So be happy, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.